Want to turn your PayPal balance into Bitcoin without the hassle? First, head over to Binance and look for the Buy Crypto button, usually located at the top of the page. Click on it to reveal your purchase options. You will probably see credit, debit card as a default option, but don't worry. Now we need to specify the cryptocurrency you are after. Search for Bitcoin, represented by the symbol BTC, and make sure it is selected. In the payment method options, scroll down or search for PayPal. Once you click on PayPal, you'll be prompted to log into your PayPal account. This authorizes Binance to access your PayPal balance for the purchase. Enter your PayPal email address and password to securely connect your account. Review all the transaction details carefully. Make sure the amount of Bitcoin and the PayPal payment information are correct. Then, confirm the purchase. After confirmation, the Bitcoin will be deposited directly into your Binance wallet. You can now trade or hold your Bitcoin as you wish. Congratulations on converting your PayPal balance into Bitcoin.